I'm craving something exotic, spicy, something brothy, flavorful. My inspiration tonight is the carcass of a roasted store-bought chicken. If you don't already have one of these are baking mats, or this is a baking mat with measurements. We're gonna go ahead and make the dough. Tapioca flour, rice flour, and just hot boiling water is really all that we need to get this started. You'll want to make sure to wear gloves, 2 in one hand, because we just put boiling water in our rice mixture and mixed it. Doesn't smell like anything, but ooh, my first Khaopiek dough for the noodles. From the carcass of the roasted chicken to medallions of yumminess. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.